Okay, if you try to install guest editions by going to devices, insert the CD, it says it can't find the file. So you try to click download, you get an error for an unknown reason. To solve this problem, open up Firefox, go to the Oracle link, and I'll provide that in the description, and click on VBox Guest Editions. When it's done downloading, open the folder. Right-click the ISO, choose Open with Disk Image Mounter, then click on the disk folder on the left side, then right-click autorun.sh and select Run as a Program. Enter your password. Then press Return to close the window. Now restart your machine. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.